How to update Cinema app on Firestick. Now in this quick video, I'll show you how you can update Cinema application using your Firestick TV. Now everybody knows that Cinema app is not actually available app on App Store from Amazon. So what you want to have to do is to download it separately. From your Firestick home screen, you just need to pull up your settings, and then from settings, go into developer options and make sure that unknown file resources are turned on so we can install and download files that is going to be a third party. So once you've successfully done that, go back into your home screen, access your App Store from your Fire Stick, and download the downloader application for us to be able to re-download Cinema application, which is going to be the latest version. Just simply copy and paste this link that's going to be on the green box, and then make sure to re-download and reinstall it just like what you're doing on the previous ones. And that's it. That's how you update Cinema app on Fire Stick.